Hello and welcome to Instant Nerd. In this video, I'm going to tell you how to change profile picture on RedNote application. So let's get started with the video. Launch the application. So once you're on the home page, here you will see a me icon at lower right corner. Click on that and this will be the profile page. Here you will get all the details that you have updated on your profile. The next thing is click on the plus icon that you will see at the profile icon. Once you click on that, here you will get three options: upload new avatar, create AI avatar, get avatar accessory. So in order to upload the profile picture from your gallery, you can click on upload new avatar and you can choose the particular picture from there and you can then upload it. If you want to create a AI avatar, you can click on this, and if you want to add the accessory to that avatar, you can click on get avatar accessory. So this is how you can change profile picture on RedNote. If the tutorial was helpful, please like and subscribe.